Hi everyone, welcome to the very first video on my channel. In this video, we're diving into the basics of addition in mathematics. So, what is addition? It's simply the process of combining numbers. For example, we all know 1 plus 1 equals 2. But how do we handle slightly bigger numbers? Let's try an example, 77 plus 15. Here's how we break it down. Start with the digits in the ones place. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Write down the 2 and carry over the 1 to the tens digit. Now, move to the tens place. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Don't forget the 1 we carried over. Add that to get 9. So, the answer is 92. Now it's your turn. Try these examples. 24 plus 37, 57 plus 19, and 99 plus 23. Let's go through the answers. For 24 plus 37, start with the ones place. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Write down the 1 and carry over the 1 to the next digit. In the tens place, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Add the carried over 1 to get 6. So the final answer is 61. For 57 and 19, we follow the same process. In the ones place, 7 plus 9 equals 16, so we write down 6 and carry over 1. Moving to the tens place, we add 5 and 1, which gives 6, and then add the carried over 1 to get 7. Thus, the final sum is 76. Now for the last one, 99 plus 23, we start with the ones place. Adding 9 and 3 gives 12, so we write down 2 and carry over 1 to the tens place. Next, in the tens place, we add 9 and 2, which equals 11, and then add the carried over 1, making it 12. Therefore, the final sum is 122. Let's take it up a notch and explore adding more than two numbers. For example, let's add 15 plus 7 plus 9. Start by focusing on the ones place. 5 plus 7 plus 9 equals 21. Write down the 1 and carry over the 2. Then, drop the 1 from the 15 and add the carried over 2 to simply get 3. So, the final answer is 31. Ready to practice? Try adding 23 plus 34 plus 19 and 11 plus 54 plus 90 plus 10. Let's solve these together. For 23 plus 34 plus 19, start with the ones place. 3 plus 4 plus 9 equals 16. Write down the 6 and carry over the 1. Then, move to the tens place. 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals 6. Add the carried over 1, and you get 7. So, the final answer is 76. Now, let's tackle the last one. 11 plus 54 plus 90 plus 10. Starting with the ones place, we add 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0, which equals 5, no carry over needed. Moving to the tens place, we add 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 1, which gives us 16. We write down the 6 and carry over the 1. Now since the numbers are of 2 digits, and there is no number on the hundreds place, we simply put the carried over 1 to the third digit. So, the final answer is 165. And that's a wrap for today. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to learn more cool math tricks, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.